You'll have love at first sight with the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Silverado 1500 is the full-size pickup that blends a spacious, quiet cabin, technology that keeps you connected, smooth handling, and the toughness you need for all your projects. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, lane keeping assist, keyless start, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors. Everyone loves the strong, silent type. Make a date with a Silverado 1500.